Hi guys, Mariana Pollock here, mother of two and founder of the Roots Report at wisequeerconfessions.com. So in my last video, I spoke to you guys about the dōTERRA hydrating cream, which I absolutely love. So I didn't get a chance to open it and actually show you guys how awesome it looks. It's white, and I like to use these little sanitary little spoons so I don't have to stick my finger in all my creams. So I'm just going to take this little dollop and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually apply this hydrating cream to other areas in your body. It doesn't necessarily always have to be your face. I'm just healing like a little itchiness that I had, so I scratched it. It was really dry skin, so I'm just giving it a little extra love, and it's been healing and it's been doing great. So this is the last video I made about this cream in my loyalty order, which is my subscription with dōTERRA every single month. If you guys have a subscription plan, you know that you can't customize it, but with dōTERRA you actually can. You can like completely decide if you want one item in your monthly order with your healthcare toolkit or more. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to be continuing on to unboxing my April LRP. I'm trying to do a video for each item for you guys, which is not always the case, but I'm trying to now. So today, we're going to be talking about this exfoliating cream. I just need to fix my video because, yeah, it looks a little off. See, I've got the peppermint leaves in the background because this exfoliating cream has peppermint and grapefruit essential oils in it, as well as other botanical oils. It also has botanicals of Mandarin, orange extract, Jasmine Extract, so that's really great for wrinkles too, and Greater Burdock Extract, which tones, smooths, and hydrates your skin. It's also got gentle exfoliating action, which comes from biodegradable jojoba esters, known for their moisturizing properties, you guys. So this Invigorating Scrub has that peppermint in it, right? So that's why I love to use it in the mornings. And I'm just going to show you guys a tiny little dollop. Oh my God, it smells so good. Obviously, I need to go wash this off with water, but I'm just going to use a little cloth here for that right now. Cheers, guys. I'm drinking my mushroom concoction there, which also has some cinnamon essential oil. But so this Invigorating Scrub is super amazing. Another reason why it's so amazing and why I love it is because you can experience like fresh, renewed skin with this Invigorating Scrub. When you use it, which is why I personally love to use it in the morning because I'm kind of sleepy and it really wakes me up. And it's got this refreshing exfoliating action, super aromatic experience. You guys will love it. Especially those of you who absolutely love the purest, finest essential oils. So you will rinse it with warm water. And the great thing about it is that it's super gentle, so you can actually use it every single day. So that's why I had it in my April loyalty order, because I had run out for a while and I realized that I need to exfoliate a little bit because it's springtime. And there's actually another reveal line that I'll be talking to you guys about next time I order it, which is also really great, but that's not for daily use. This one is gentle enough for daily use. Those of you who know me know that I'm a purist, and it's super non-toxic also. So you can even give it to a teenager or a grandma. Like anybody who's sensitive to chemicals, this is going to be awesome. Okay, so I told you guys about that Greater Burdock Extract. That's going to help purify and tone the skin when you use this to wash your face. And then the botanical and fruit extracts also enhance the aromatic experience. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to tell you about this cream. This is a super quick video. So if you guys have any questions about how you can get wholesale pricing. Oh, I haven't made videos for you guys in a couple days because I've been trying to figure out my lighting. That's a little better. And maybe like the disappearing, headband thing, my tijo that I'm wearing lately. I love them. They're awesome. super bohemian style too. And yeah, so I've been trying to figure out the lighting situation. It seems like this might be okay. But anyway, if you guys have any more questions or want to leave a comment, please do so down below, and I will get back to you with all your questions. Looking forward to answering those questions for you guys. If you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.